Here are 5 methods to help you maintain a healthy diet for a healthier life. 1. Eat a variety of foods. Incorporate a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. This ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients essential for your body cube. 2. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. 3. Using smaller plates, measuring portions, and being aware of serving sizes can help manage calorie intake squared. 3. Limit processed foods. Reduce the consumption of processed and sugary foods. These often contain unhealthy fats, added sugars, and high levels of sodium, which can negatively impact your health to the power of 4. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can help control hunger and maintain energy levels to the power of 5. 5. Plan your meals. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure they are balanced and nutritious. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute unhealthy options.